Welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video, we'll do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and BankNifty. We'll try to see the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday trading session. Starting with Nifty, here I am using Nifty daily chart. What is the present trend of Nifty right now? It is uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low and higher high, and again it made a higher low. Trend becomes invalid only below this level, that is below 18,480. What was our view in the last week? Our view was it has given a breakout of this level, that is this area, and it has given a pullback, and we assume that from here we may see a uptrend. As we assume, it has given a up move but unable to sustain here, it has given a correction till here, and this trend line is holding Nifty for the past few weeks. If this trend line is broken and if Nifty comes below this level 18,470, then we can say that this complete trend is invalid and we may see more correction from here. And we can see where is the major support. Here you can see the major support is somewhere near this area. This complete area will act as support for Nifty. What is this area? This area is anywhere between 18,000 to 18,200. This area will act as support for Nifty in the coming weeks. Now let's shift the time frame to hourly and let's see the important levels for the Monday's trading session. Here I changed the time frame to hourly. You can see index has been in this range, that is it is giving a zigzag moves like this. It is in this range for the past few days. So when can we see a trending move? We can see a trending move only if index breaks either above this level, that is if index sustains above 18,780, we can take it as 18,800, then we can see an upside move, and if index trades below this level, that is 18,464, then we can see a downside move. If index breaks this level, that is if index comes below this level 18,464, then what are our targets on downside? The first target will be 18,300 and the second target will be 18,200. These are our targets on the downside. If index sustains above 18,780, then what are our upside targets? Then our next target will be, the immediate target will be 18,880, and after that we may see new all-time high. In between this range, no trading. If at all, if any option sellers want to sell the range, they can sell this range. They can sell the range from this area to, that is they can sell this range from 18,462, that is you can take it as 18,450 and 18,800. You can sell this 400 points range for the coming week also until index breaks on either this side or this side. Now let's see the analysis of BankNifty. Here I am using BankNifty daily chart here. As you can see, the same story is with BankNifty also. What is the present trend of BankNifty? It is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, and higher high. So till now it is in the uptrend, but as you can see here, BankNifty stopped making higher highs, that is it has made a higher low and it has created a almost equal high and it has reversed from here. Information on the downside, that is only below 43,700, that is if index comes, that is break this level, then we can say that this whole uptrend has been invalidated and now BankNifty has reversed its direction. What is the confirmation? The confirmation of this level is 43,700. Below 43,700, this XABCD gets activated, and as per this XABCD, our final target will be somewhere around 42,800. And if at all BankNifty is in this range, we can see same zigzag moves as we have seen in the past. So a trending move we can see only either below this level or above this level. So if BankNifty sustains below 43,700, then what is our first target? Then our first target will be 43,400 and the second target will be 42,800. If BankNifty again break this high and moves above this level, that is above 44,500, then only we can see a uptrend move. And if at all BankNifty sustains above 44,500, then our first target will be 44,900, and after that we can see new all-time highs. If you have any doubts in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. Open a free Demat account using our link below and directly join our Telegram channel, where you will be provided with daily live trade setups with entries, stop loss and targets. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.